What's up guys, Christian here, and this is a brand new Samsung Galaxy S9. And this right here, this is duct tape. Today we're gonna find out if duct tape can protect a Samsung Galaxy S9 from a massive 1,000 feet drop. So 1,000 feet is approximately 300 meters, and just to give you an idea of how high that really is, I'm gonna throw you guys up there. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9 fully covered with duct tape. As you can see here, this thing looks quite tough. I'm so excited to find out what's gonna happen with this phone after a 1,000 foot drop. But hold on, we're gonna ask the magic 8 ball if this phone is gonna survive. Will this phone survive the impact? Signs point to yes. Alright guys, here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9 ready to be dropped. Let's go! So we are going up. We have 2 drones flying. As you can see here, here's my co-pilot. And we are still going up. We're gonna go all the way to 305 meters. By the way, something really short, we're doing a giveaway of a Samsung Galaxy S9. To enter the giveaway, you have to click on the link in the description of this video and follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna announce the winner in 2 weeks through Instagram. Good luck and keep watching. Alright guys, here we go. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. Here we have it, the Samsung Galaxy S9. I think it cracked because it feels a little, something is cracked inside. It landed somewhere here. It feels like something broke inside. All right, so we're gonna take everything off and we're gonna find out if the phone survived. But so far, I think there's something cracked inside. Let's see if the phone survived. Perfect conditions. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is after the drop. So you can see here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9. It is perfectly intact. So duct tape can protect a Samsung Galaxy S9 from a massive 1,000 foot drop. By the way, we're doing a giveaway of a brand new Samsung Galaxy S9. To enter the giveaway, simply click on the link down below and I will announce the winner on Instagram, on my Instagram account in 2 weeks. So make sure you follow me there. And thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you. My name is Christian and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take